Alright, let's get around to making some videos of some better units, because I've been filming a lot of junk recently. So I usually do like a summer startups every year. A couple WCIs. I'll start with this Gibson here on the bottom. This is it's a 5000 from 1990. Pretty quiet. Works, has a full charge and everything. It's in good shape. A little bit of rust, not too bad. Alright, well, this one's fan motor just let out the magic smoke. That fucking sucks. Yeah. Alright, so I ain't firing that one up. Son of a bitch. The tag. I don't want to try and start the compressor when something like that's going on. 7500, 1981. Got it to Tecumseh AK. Did work very well. I'm gonna have to dig into it and see what's going on. That's not good. Oh well. So yeah, I gotta see what's up with that. I fired it up on fan before I started recording just to make sure there was no leaves and stuff in the fan so it wouldn't ruin it. Anyway, 14,000 BTU Kenmore with the air freshener. Whirlpool OEM. It's pretty quiet. Works well. Took a second on the extension cord there. (1974) Friedrich. I have the front panel over here. No sleeve, and the fan's hitting the shroud, so I stalled it. Let's see if we can get the compressor here. Nope, not gonna run on the extension cord. Might need a hard start cap to kick over again because the thing is shot. Yeah. Alright, Westinghouse casement with a Bendix compressor. It's a 1970 model. That's what the capacitor said anyway. It's the aluminum case. One of those. Amana high efficiency. I want to say this is a 12-1. Base pan's gonna need some work, but she's a smooth runner. a couple Panasonics and an EQK. We'll save the best for last. I'm only going to fire up one of these because they're pretty much both the same. Yeah, these have a lot of sentimental value to me, so that's why I'm keeping them, or one of them at least. So yeah, it's a compact. I had this installed upstairs for the past couple summers, and yeah, it's a rotary compressor. It did cool pretty well, and these are fantastic units. So it is quiet, as you hear. I'm gonna try and get to the data plate. I have videos of this up. EQK tag's not factory, I put that on there. Small bedroom fetters. I have the case off because I'm going to be repainting it. And then that Friedrich I'm not going to fire up, and that Kenmore has a wasp nest in it, so I still have to take care of that. And then the Dynamic, the Challenger, and the Carrier below it are all 220. This used to have a Rotorex, and I had Ken put a reciprocating in it. I don't know why, but I might have to adjust the charge and replace the cap. And the fan blade is really out of clock. Somebody bent it up bad. You can see it's kind of out of balance there. If you look, it's not supposed to be bent that far in. Pretty much no rust. And yes, that's a compressor from a compact that was flat that I got from Jeff. That saved my compressor and threw it in there. So this one's a D chassis weather wheel on 115 volts. I will be fully restoring this when I get the time. It's worth every bit of it. It's pretty clapped. If I move it, the fan will hit the shroud. So right now I have it in a good position where it will run. I thought this unit leaked the charge last summer because it was running for a couple hours and the compressor sounded like dog shit, and one of the coils wasn't getting cold. But Christian touched the suction line and it started working, so I think my compressor issue is the extension cord though. Whatever you can read from that. Somebody hit it with new brake too hard. That's fine. AJ, another 74. This is a portable series. I think they called it the Power Miser later on. It's really quiet. I don't feel like walking around to the back today. Yeah, give it a couple minutes to run, it'll be ice cubes. So, this one I fully restored. This Curtis has kind of a janky original plug on it. But this one I partially restored. I just have to get springs for the louvers. I put new insulation in it, repainted the outside. Something's up with the extension cord. Let me see. Huh. I ain't firing that one up either. Damn. Modular Air. This one does not have any rust in it at all. 8200 rotary. Yeah, this thing is clean. It's a good runner. I only have one of the side curtains. If I find another one, this will definitely be installed at some point. So yeah, 10,000 BTU through the wall Emerson radio. I had this installed at a friend's house for a little while, if you remember that video. So yeah. AK, but it sounds like an AJ on startup. Double pass. I have the window kit for it, but it's in a gazillion pieces. I don't think I'm ever going to put them back on. But yeah, 10K, 115 volts. First generation super thrust. Put it on the wall. This thing doesn't have any rust either. And this is a 12. It's already ice cold. One of my best units that I have right here. So this will probably wind up at the AC meet. Just gonna clean it out first. And of course the Comfortmatic works as well. Automatic fan setting based on the temperature in the room. In this case it's outside, so 75. You can see the light too. And the Carrier Siesta. I think I'm going to bring this along when I go camping tonight and tomorrow. So yeah. It takes a while to build pressure. I forget what rotary it has. I think it's a Matsushita based on the sound. Not sure if the fan motor is going to start up on this one. We'll see. It does need some oil. Yeah. There we go. It's a good runner. AE compressor, constant run. And these are similar to Kools. They'll remove humidity very well, and you know, they lack airflow and shit, but they'll freeze you out. And so will the coils too if you let it get low enough. Chrysler Airtemp. I believe this one's called the sleeper model. Thermostat knob fill somewhere. I'll find it. Yeah, these are weird. The thermostat is in there. And this thing's clean. There's no rust. I'm just going to repaint the case. Back that Emerson radio too. I guess this is the first generation of the compact series, I want to say. Still made by Emerson Radio. It's got the blue tag. 8,000 BTU. Plastic base panel, oddly enough. Pretty loud fan, but AK compressor, so got that going for it. Last but not least, the 1962 Sears Colt Spot casement with an AU pancake. Powerful fan. I would consider this like a 15,000 BTU in terms of CFM. It's insane. The whole thing's already cold. You guys already saw a separate video of this. So, yeah, that's gonna do it. Don't ask me to film those shitty modern units. It's not happening. But that's pretty much my collection as of now. That's it.